Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
are, there are only 12 participants. I think with you, I had a class yesterday also, 10th week.
Yes, ma'am.
So we discussed about the question paper. I am not going to discuss the question paper again with you, right? We'll now be focusing on the question answers part only, as many as we can do, right?
Yes.
Anant is there in the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
Anant is there. Anmol Mohan.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Okay. Then Arish.
Present, ma'am.
Who else is there?
Ma'am, Nishkarsh.
Nishkarsh.
Shivam.
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait.
Anshika.
One by one, one by one. One by one. Nishkarsh, then Shivam. Nishkarsh, Shivam, then
Anshika.
Anshika Saxena. Okay.
Ma'am Pranjal. Ma'am Pranjal.
हाँ.
Ma'am, Shruti.
Shruti, only Shruti, no? Shruti Yadav.
Ma'am, this Shruti.
हाँ. Okay. Shruti, you're fine. Who else?
Ma'am Rachit Kumar Singh.
9 participants. Then
Ma'am
Pratyush
Pratyush.
Srivastav. Pratyush Srivastav.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
10 participants.
Ma'am Rachit.
Only Rachit Saxena.
No, ma'am Kumar Singh.
Rachit Kumar Singh, I have marked. Who else?
Ma'am Ayan.
मोहम्मद अयान. ओके. अयान, आपने फिर भी काफी बेटर करा है पहले से. क्लास 9 से अगर हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो आपका पेपर कंपैरेटिवली बहुत अच्छा था और आप और अच्छा कर सकते हैं बेटा, है ना? थोड़ा सा और फोकस्ड हो जाइए. जैसे कल हमने आर्यश को भी बताया था कि आर्यश ने काफी अच्छा करा है, बट कुछ एक जगह पे शायद उसको क्लियर नहीं था कि क्या है क्या नहीं, तो वो आंसर नहीं लिख पाया ठीक से. तो आप भी अगर ये काम करते हैं, अगर आप चैप्टर प्रॉपर्ली रीड करते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि आप बहुत हद तक आंसर देने की कैपेसिटी में रहेंगे. सो इट्स बेटर यू पीपल रीड द चैप्टर थरली. एक बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, जितनी बार पढ़ सकते हैं. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
11 participants, 12 participants including me, right? Anybody who comes afterwards can always say good morning and I'll note down the name, right? Okay, coming to question number 1. So all those who are there in the meeting, one by one, they'll be reading the question and they'll be answering it as well. चलिए, अनंत सबसे पहला वाला क्वेश्चन पढ़िए, उसका आंसर भी बताइए बेटा फिर.
By what name is the Civil Code of 1804 known?
What is the answer?
Options are French Code, Nation Code. Answer is Napoleonic Code.
हाँ, the answer is Napoleonic Code. The Civil Code of 1804 is also Napoleonic Code. Next, we have Anmol. Anmol, second question, please read out.
When was Customs Union of Zollverein founded? Ma'am, option B, 1834.
Very good. Option B, 1834. Next, we have Anshika Saxena. Read the question, beta, and give the answer. Anshika, are you there? Anshika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, पढ़िए थर्ड क्वेश्चन पढ़िए बेटा.
Which one of the following assertion is not true about the liberal nationalists of Europe? The answer is they supported the universal suffrage and denied the right to private property.
Okay. Who stood for the freedom of markets and abolition of state-imposed restriction on the movement of goods and capital? Who was the person behind the freedom of markets and abolition of state-imposed restrictions? Anant? Anant, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Who was behind the abolition of state-imposed restriction and freedom of markets? कि किसने ensure करा था freedom of markets और abolition of state-imposed restrictions को?
Napoleon.
हाँ, Napoleon. Very good. Very good. Very good. Next. Aryash, Read the question, fourth question.
Which one of the following is not true regarding romanticism and national feeling in Europe? The romantic artists and poets generally did not criticize the glorification of science and reasons. B.
Uh, the romantic artists and poets generally did not criticize the glorification of science and reasons. ठीक है. They always criticized the glorification of science and reasons. Next, Ayan, read out the next question.
Why and when Mazzini was sent into exile in 1831 for attempting a revolution in Liguria?
In 1831 for attempting a revolution in Liguria. ठीक है. Next, Nishkarsh.
Yes, ma'am. Civilians started in
Zollverein started in 1834 in Prussia refers to a
customs union.
Okay, it was the customs union. Very good. Next, we have Pranjal. Pranjal, आपने बहुत खराब परफॉर्म करा है एग्जाम में. I was very disappointed. आपने तो क्लासेस भी रेगुलर अटेंड करी हैं. चलिए प्रांजल, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
The Habsburg Emperor ruled over the area of Austria and Hungary.
Okay. The Habsburg Empire ruled over the area of Austro-Hungary. Very good. Next question. Name the battle which Napoleon lost in 1813. Pratyush Srivastav.
Ma'am, Leipzig.
Leipzig. Okay. Milan नहीं है ऐसा correct answer?
No, ma'am.
चलिए मान लिया. Very good. Which one of the following was the effect of the Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland? क्या था? Pratyush Srivastav.
England was able to impose the influence on Scotland.
And what happened under this Act of 1707?
Britain was formed.
Britain was formed. Very good. Next question. In France, whose images were marked on coins and stamps during 1850s? Who has to answer?
Marianne.
Ma'am, Marianne.
Marina. In France, whose images were marked on coins and stamps during 1850s? It was Marina. What was this Marina? बेटा, what was this Marina? रचित, क्या थी ये मरीना?
मैम, नेशनल सिंबल ऑफ लाइक भारत माता.
इनको एक नाम से बुलाया जाता था. वो नाम बताइए हमको, क्या नाम है इनका? What were these?
मैम एलिगरी.
हाँ, जर्मेनिया, मरीना, these were allegories. ठीक है? Very good. Next we have Shivam. Shivam, next question.
Which one of the following statement is true about the Napoleonic Code? Ma'am, option C, privileges based on birth were abolished.
ठीक है. Very good. Next question. Shruti, you are there?
12th.
हाँ, 12th. Who amongst the following said, if France sneezes, रेस्ट ऑफ द यूरोप कैचेस कोल्ड। इसमें हम आपको ऑप्शन नहीं बता रहे हैं। अब हमें बताओ किसने ये बात बोली थी कि अगर फ्रांस छींकता है तो पूरे यूरोप को सर्दी लग जाती है? बताइए श्रुति। श्रुति, you are there?
You're not audible, I guess.
I am not audible. Can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
You cannot see the screen? How is it possible? Others can see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा स्क्रीन तो एकदम विजिबल है। श्रुति, क्वेश्चन पढ़िए। हमने क्वेश्चन पढ़ा है, who amongst the following said, I am not showing you the options, I am simply asking you who stated that if France sneezes, rest of the Europe catches cold. ये किसने बोला था? अयान, अभी आप रुको 2 मिनट बेटा। बताओ श्रुति। अयान बताओ।
मैम ड्यूक मार्टिनेज। मैम
वेरी गुड, इट वाज ड्यूक मेटरनिक। वेरी गुड। ये व्हाट बाल्कन्स के जो इनहेबिटेंट्स थे उनको हम किस नाम से बुलाते हैं? Who were the inhabitants of Balkan region? बाल्कन रीजन में जो लोग पाए जाते थे उनको हम किस नाम से बुलाते थे? अनंत, आपका क्वेश्चन है ये, बताइए। अनंत।
Yes, ma'am.
बाल्कन रीजन में जो लोग रहते थे उनको किस नाम से बुलाया जाता था? अयान बताइए।
मैम
हाँ अयान बताओ बताओ।
स्लेव्स।
स्लैव्स, वेरी गुड। स्लैव्स के नाम से। हाँ स्लैव्स, स्लैव्स, स्लेव्स नहीं बेटा, स्लैव्स। अच्छा, वेरी गुड। ये बताइए अनंत, पता चला स्लैव्स इज द करेक्ट आंसर, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर अनमोल मोहन। अनमोल, ब्रिटेन के नए
Yes, ma'am.
ब्रिटेन के नेशनल एंथम की कुछ लाइन, इनिशियल लाइंस बताओ क्या थी? ब्रिटेन का जो नेशनल एंथम था उसकी लाइंस बताओ, इनिशियल लाइंस क्या थी? यस शिवम, आप बताइए।
God save our noble king.
हाँ जी, और अगर क्वीन है तो?
Noble
God
queen.
save the queen.
हाँ, गॉड सेव द नोबल क्वीन। वेरी गुड। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, when did we see or when was the first clear expression of nationalism came into being? When? In which of the following events we see the first clear expression of nationalism? Anshika Saxena, question for you.
Ma'am, where's the question?
Beta, question number 15.
Ma'am, French Revolution.
It was a French Revolution of 1789. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। अयान नहीं, आर्यश कथेरिया। आर्यश,
Which of the following strategy was found by Giuseppe Mazzini in Marseilles?
हाँ,
Ma'am, Young Italy.
it was young Italy. Very good.
Yes.
Which next question for Nishkarsh? नहीं, अयान। अयान बताइए, which treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? Which treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? Ayan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताइए.
From Treaty of Constantinople.
The Treaty of Constantinople recognized Greece as an independent nation. Very good. ये क्वेश्चन भी क्लियर ही है. निष्कर्ष, क्वेश्चन पढ़ो.
Ma'am, the independence of which of the following country was recognized by the
Treaty of Constantinople in 1832.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ आंसर. आंसर बताओ इसका. हाँ जी अयान, आप बताओ.
मैम ग्रीस.
ग्रीस. निष्कर्ष, अभी ऊपर हमने क्वेश्चन पढ़ा कि विच ट्रीटी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड ग्रीस एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट नेशन. अयान ने बताया ट्रीटी ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपको आता है कि बताओ किस कंट्री की इंडिपेंडेंस को रिकॉग्नाइज किया गया अंडर द ट्रीटी ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल. इतना तो प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड रखो बेटा.
Sorry, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, प्रांजल.
How was the island incorporated in the United Kingdom of Great
Britain?
Incorporated in the United Kingdom of Great Britain. Act of Union.
हाँ, एक्ट ऑफ यूनियन कौन से ईयर का था ये?
मैम 1707.
Very good, 1707. Who was this? Anshika Saxena?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next question is for Pratyush Srivastav.
Under which act or treaty were England and Scotland united under the name of United Kingdom of Great Britain? Ma'am, Act of Union
आगे भी कुछ था इसके एक्ट ऑफ यूनियन
of 1707.
Very good. This is the correct answer. Which country is known as the cradle of civilization? ये क्वेश्चन है आपका शिवम से. Which country is known as the cradle of civilization?
Ma'am, Greece.
Very good. Who was proclaimed as the king of United Italy?
Ma'am, Victor Emmanuel II.
Victor Emmanuel II. Very good.
Second.
Very good. Carried to which ideology? ये है क्वेश्चन आपका अनंत के लिए. Carried to which ideology? सुधीर भी तो है मीटिंग में शायद. सुधीर, are you there? Sudhir, are you there?
Ma'am, I came in village, ma'am. There is a network problem, ma'am.
No problems. आपको दिख भी नहीं रहा है क्या कुछ?
मैम वो मैम मेरे को मैम आवाज में अभी आ रही है मैम, अभी इससे पहले नहीं आ रही थी मैम.
अच्छा चलिए ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. चलो अनमोल.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन बताओ. अच्छा ये अनंत का है. सॉरी अनंत. Your question. Okay. To which ideology was the idea of national unity in early 19th century Europe related? To which ideology was the idea of national unity in early 19th century Europe related?
Ma'am, can I give?
नहीं, आनंद को बता दे दो.
Liberalism.
Was liberalism. Very good. बेटा रमन एंड शिवांश, आप मीटिंग में नहीं है, यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट लगाने से काफी नहीं होता है, मीटिंग भी ज्वाइन करनी होती है ना? डोंट गिव फेक अटेंडेंस इन द क्लास. हाँ जी. The ideology that gave the idea of national unity in early 19th century Europe was liberalism, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Fine. Which class amongst the following Germans tried to bring about nation states governed by an elected parliament? Which class amongst the following Germans tried to bring about nation states governed by an elected parliament?
Ma'am, middle class,
Huh?
educated.
It was the middle class. Very good. What was the concept of a modern state? Modern state का क्या concept था? हमने पढ़ा होगा ना चैप्टर में कि मॉडर्न स्टेट का क्या कॉन्सेप्ट था? Who will tell this answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, majority of citizens developed common identity.
ठीक है. Very good. Who sought to put together a program for a unitary Italian republic?
Ma'am, Mazzani.
Mazzini.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. ठीक है. अब आप हमें बताओ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा. How did Holland, Switzerland and Brussels welcome French armies? How did Holland, Switzerland and Brussels welcome French armies? ये चैप्टर में दिया हुआ है ना क्वेश्चन. बताओ. बेटा बताओ भाई. बेटा बताओ. हाँ. Nobody for this question? अरे एज द हार्बिंगर्स ऑफ लिबर्टी. भाई कहाँ चले गए आप लोग? क्लास.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is really not done. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question is, who was described as the most dangerous enemy of social order? Who described whom as the most dangerous enemy of the social order? Who described whom Yes, Shivam.
Ma'am, Duke Metternich classified Giuseppe Mazzini as the most dangerous enemy.
Of the social order. Very good. Very good. What was not introduced by the Zollverein?
Ma'am, closed economic system.
Chalo. Name the region whose habitants were broadly known as Slavs. Name of the region. हाँ बताओ.
Ma'am, Balkans.
It was the Balkan region, right? Name the Irish Catholic who revolted against the British domination. Irish Catholic कौन था जिसने ब्रिटिश डोमिनेशन के अगेंस्ट लड़ाई करी थी? Come on, class. We did this in the revisions.
Wolfe Tone.
Wolfe Tone.
It was Wolfe Tone. Very good. The category of members were not, which category of members were not a large number of members of political associations in Germany? Which category of members were not a large number of members of political associations in Germany? Batao?
Farmers.
And poor farmers.
It was the poor farmers. To which of the following were the conservative regimes set up in 1815 related?
Autocratic.
Autocratic rule. Very good. Which of the countries did not, which country did not attend the Congress of Vienna?
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
It was Switzerland, okay. Romanticism in Europe was a dash practice. Political movement, cultural movement, religious freedom movement. कौन सा था?
Cultural movement.
It was a cultural movement. Very good. A political philosophy that cherished the importance of tradition is called as?
Conservation.
Conservation. Who signed the Treaty of Constantinople, which recognized Greece as an independent nation? बताओ. Treaty of Constantinople किन किन के बीच में हुई थी? कौन से ईयर में साइन हुई थी?
इंग्लैंड एंड स्कॉटलैंड.
नहीं, ये बताओ किस साल में हुई थी?
1822.
1832. Very good, very good. Who was this? 1832. अनंत और अमन. अनंत और अनमोल.
Ma'am, I was there.
Shivam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. 32. Okay, which of the following statement is false regarding the doctrine of liberal nationalism? It stood for freedom of individuals. It stood for equality all before law. It stood for autocratic rights of aristocracy. It emphasized government by consent. इनमें से कौन सा गलत है? Liberal nationalism.
For autocratic
Right of aristocracy. हाँ, ये aristocracy के लिए C option. Very good. In which year Napoleon was defeated?
1815.
ठीक है. Which of the following was not a feature of conservatism in Europe after 1815?
Democracy.
ठीक है. What is false about the Habsburg Empire?
It shared a strong common identity.
Because it did not share a common identity, because all the people, they belonged to different traditional practices, different cultural they were sharing. Okay. Why was the Treaty of Vienna drawn up?
To restore the monarchy.
To restore monarchy.
To restore the Monarchy, very good. Who was proclaimed as the German emperor after its unification?
The
Persian
Persian
king.
king William I.
The Prussian king William I. Who was the chief architect of the unification of Germany?
Otto von Bismarck.
Chief Minister.
It was Otto von Bismarck. Very good. Which of the secret societies was found by Gusip Mazzini?
Young
Italy.
Changing Europe.
ठीक है. Which of the following statement is not true regarding the Act of Union?
It resulted in the establishment of democracy in Scotland.
Very good. Who led a protest movement against the Protestants in Ireland?